I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to know this right away. AirTag does not support charging. Instead, you replace the CR2032 coin cell battery. Start now by placing the AirTag face down on a clean, flat surface. Once done, hold the stainless steel back and press down firmly. Twist counterclockwise until the cover stops. This releases the back. Make sure to handle the old battery carefully and prepare the new CR2032 out of its packaging. Now continue by removing the old CR2032 and inspecting the inside for dust or corrosion. Clean gently if needed. Place the new CR2032 coin cell into the battery well with the plus side facing up toward you. This is critical for correct contact. Press the battery down until it sits flat. You should hear a faint click or feel resistance. Once seated, align the cover tabs and prepare to secure the back by twisting. Finish by aligning the stainless steel cover and twisting clockwise until it clicks into place. Stop when it's snug. You do not need to force it. Once reassembled, bring the AirTag close to your iPhone to confirm connection or press the top to hear the chirp. Both verify function. If nothing happens, make sure the battery's plus side is up. Try another fresh CR2032 without a bitter coating, and clean the contact points. This usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.